Marissa McHugh, and welcome back to The Surgical Sewist. I've gone really far down this rabbit hole of maybe making intro to EPP kits. So I have enlisted the help of my cousin Jen, who does not hand sew but is willing to try. And I'm going to make an EPP kit and send it to her and see how it goes. So tonight, instead of doing the list of other things I should be doing, of course, we're going to throw those all aside and get right to making a kit. Let's do it. Okay, so we have a pouch. This is the Hemingway pouch, and I think it will be great. It's how I carry my own EPP stuff. The first thing I'm going to add in is the fabric for the actual project. The project's going to be a mug rug, so this has some white fabric for the front, some batting, and then a larger piece of fabric for the backing, which is actually going to wrap around and be the binding for the mug rug. Stay tuned for directions on that. I am going to make a video and upload it probably later this week. There is a glue stick. This little pack has 3 different needles in it and 2 clips, which are not on the needles. We have a stack of hexies, a really cute pair of embroidery scissors, some all-purpose white polyester thread, 2 colors of bold hand quilting thread with an appropriate needle, and this mini charm pack of Tula pink fabrics that I just wrapped, and I actually can't stand how cute it is. And that's it. I'm going to add in some stickers, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching this episode of The Surgical Sewist, and if you could think of anything that you would like to see in an intro to EPP kit, please let me know. I'm going to continue to talk to people this week about sourcing items and how to put that together and the best way to do it, and I would really welcome any feedback that you may have. Thanks, and talk to you soon.